The government's Kadiwa ng Pangulo and the Benteng Bigas Meron Na program continue to roll out in different parts of the country, successfully providing citizens with access to cheap agricultural products, including 20 pesos per kilo rice, while ensuring a guaranteed market for local farmers' harvests. As Carlo Luis Candelaria tells us more.
Senior citizen Sonia Ramirez went early at the Kadiwa ng Pangulo to buy vegetables. She said she bought enough to cover 2 weeks of consumption for her and her husband.
Mas malaking tulong po kasi ang araw lang ng asawa ko, 700 lang po. Yung kukunin yung pamasahe, yung baon, di magkano na lang po may uwi sa amin. Diba? Ang ko po sa kay Presidente, sana ipagpatuloy niya po ito kahit wala na siya. Pero kami hindi. Kumpara sa akin, siyang gusto ko.
Meanwhile, 60-year-old Margie Macarilay also woke up early to prepare for her children before heading straight to Kadiwa to buy cheap rice. She said the affordable rice she buys here is a huge help for her family.
Siyempre, mura ang bigas kaya pumili ako dahil marami akong anak. Kasi yung asawa ko hindi na siya nakapagtrabaho dahil may sakit siyang diabetes. Kaya ako nalang nagpipila.
Apart from the 20 pesos per kilo rice, a variety of cheap fruits, vegetables, and agricultural products can be bought here. Meanwhile, the government's BBM or Benteng Bigas Meron Na program continues to roll out in various parts of the country. In Catanduanes, cheap rice was brought directly to the barangays so residents no longer need to travel far. While in Palawan, the BBM Rice Project LGU expansion rollout was formally launched. Through this government program, apart from bringing cheap rice to our countrymen, it also provides a guaranteed market for the harvest of our farmers. Carlo Luis Candelaria for The Nation.